Hello friends, in this video we will learn about if-else statement, and for that you need to just create a simple C program with nothing exciting about it, and then just save it with if demo. Now we will understand if-else, what is if-else after viewing the simple code of demonstration. Okay, now the syntax for if-else statement is very simple. You just need to write if, open and close parentheses and brackets for storing the code, and then else and brackets. Okay, now we need to put some condition here inside this bracket, and if the condition return any positive number or the condition is true, then whatever written between these two brackets is gonna execute, and if the condition is false, then the whatever written in else block gonna execute. Okay, let me make a simple program. Like, we take an integer a and assign 10 to it, means a is having a number 10, and we give a condition if a is greater than 0, means a is a positive number, then printf, just print that a is positive number. Else means if the condition is false, then just print that a is negative number or 0. Now just save it and test it. First you need to compile it, if demo.c. now just run it. So our a is equal to 10 for now, so it will give us a is positive. Now if we change the value of 10 and set it to 0, and then again compile it, run it, then it will give us a message that a is 0 or negative. And if we put -20 or any negative number, then again it will show the else part. Okay, cause a is now -20, and when the condition is checked, it will not true, means a is not greater than 0, so the else part gonna execute. Okay, hope you learn it. Now let us make it more interactive. We can take input from user by scanf, cause we know it, and at the address of a, and now just give a message to user that enter a number. Now just save it and run it, compile it. I'm clearing the screen, and then just run it. Okay, now our program asks user to enter a number. When I hit 0, then it will give us that a is either negative or 0. Then when I again run the program, and in this time I give it 10, so it will tell back to me that it's positive. Okay, in our next video we will learn if else if statement, by which we are making this example more good. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye.